types of crime. Like a crime came up, Amazon parcel coming, you have booked it, cancel it, then the OTP and then the phishing of the account. These type of cases were discussed with them, the common cases which are coming, so that they can also go back and tell their parents, because it's a awareness campaign. So we worked with the cyber crimes coming up, the recent crimes which has come, what are the safety. We guided them in any case, how do you take a step. And the main thing was where we train them to be a cyber alert citizen. And if they want, we will guide them even to go ahead in this profession. So this was the gist of it, my grade 7 to 10. That is all the adolescents grade. Those who are more active in cyber world, they attended the session and they learned a lot of things. Today's session was conducted by Dr. Rajeshri Roy Chaudhary, Director of Institution of Cyber Legal Training Consultancy. Students, we went ahead showing them the mistakes. Like I'll tell you one simple question was, how many of your mothers have more than 1,000 friends in the Facebook and they do not know them? So these were the type of awareness which we did. We showed them few videos which were related to this type of cyber crime, and by mistake where adults have fallen to it. And we told them go home and discuss. And our further plans are, once the students become aware, whenever we have a PTM or a parents teacher meeting, something like, we always have sessions. Like we have children's career counseling session with the parents. In such places, we are planning to put it. But today's assignment given to the children is whatever we discussed it here, you are going to convey this message to your parents and write a small report on how they reacted. Because their answer was, one of my child said, if I go and point it out to my mother will first deactivate my Facebook. So we told them how to speak on that. So obviously, these things are going to send awareness among the adults also.
Internal our all the database, whatever the database we are carrying since the beginning. So we don't pass on any database to any other children and the parents. So that is absolutely in a separate mode. We are keeping in a very secretly. So we have a proper protocol on that, and we maintain the thorough protocol on that. Beyond that, we don't allow anybody, even we don't allow to access those portals or those access to other teachers also. So it is in a very safe custody. Always we maintain this thing so that no, I mean another parent, one parent cannot get the other parent all databases. So we keep in a very safety mode.
In ORCIDS, we have a subject called SOCH. SOCH subject means thinking topics, which are all current topics which needs to be addressed. So under SOCH curriculum, we always have in the second and the fourth Saturday, we have workshops. And this will be taken as follow-up. 2 hours is not sufficient to get them ready to face the cyber world. It was just an introduction started. And even in our SOCH curriculum also we just invited an expert, because an expert speaking with the real cases, real things, gave a better view to them or better exposure. Like Sir said, our system, our ERP is inbuilt ERP. We are not procuring from outside. It's our own. And there, each and every child has an email of our server. So nothing else comes in unless and until that is approved. Your personal email also you cannot log in. So you have to log in with your identity, and all the safety measures are taken care by our own email server. If we find that a child is even sending a blank file as a homework submission, that is also caught. And what are cyber warriors? We introduced them today in our session, and we have our follow-up plans where we will prepare. Like I have a student council member for my school. I have a event management team. I have a sports team. Like that we have. We are even planning to go ahead with a team like that, where our cyber warriors, they will learn the full intricacy and then they will be forwarding it amongst themselves. So we are also planning, and as a part of our career counseling sessions, this will be included. Mainly बेस था बच्चों को अवेयरनेस देने का कि साइबर वर्ल्ड के डूज एंड डोंट्स क्या है. हम बच्चों को साइबर वर्ल्ड से दूर नहीं रख सकते हैं. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ. उनको इसमें रहना ही है, इसी में काम करना है. उनको डराना भी नहीं है, बस उनको स्मार्ट बनाना है कि वो यहाँ पे सेफ रहे, और गलत हो रहा है तो उसे आइडेंटिफाई करके बाकी को भी सेव कर सके. हमने हमारे सेशन में यहाँ तक कि कुछ वीडियोस ऐसे दिखाए जहाँ एडल्ट्स फंस गए हैं साइबर क्राइम के अंदर, ताकि वो भी घर जाके अपने पेरेंट्स को बोल सकते हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे केसेस आए हैं, आप इसमें अलर्ट रहिए। सो द मेन आज का जो हमारा व्यू था या जो हमारा मिशन था वो यही था, बच्चों को अवेयर करें इस फील्ड में क्या करियर है, वो आगे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं, उनका एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है वो उनसे समझाए। जो मेन जगह है जहाँ बच्चे फंस जाते हैं वो है ऑनलाइन गेम्स, फ्री गेम्स, उसके बारे में हमने अवेयरनेस दिया। और पेरेंट्स के पास है कॉमन, जैसे OTP शेयरिंग, अमेजन में अनबुक्ड आइटम आने के बाद कैंसलेशन के नाम से बैंक अकाउंट फिशिंग, ये वाले केसेस हमने वीडियोस में उनको दिखाए ताकि वो घर जाके डिस्कस करें एंड दिस थिंग्स पीपल गेट मोर अवेयर। ये अगर हम रिलेवेंट टू आज का ट्रेनिंग बोलते हैं, अभी यहाँ पे जितने बच्चे हैं सभी को कम से कम मोबाइल में तो साइबर वर्ल्ड में एंट्री है। यहाँ कोई भी ऐसा बच्चा नहीं है जो बियॉन्ड साइबर वर्ल्ड है, क्योंकि ये अभी ट्रेंड हो चुका है। हर एक जन कोशिश करता है, अगर उनके पास भी नहीं है तो दे गो टू अ कैफे एंड अवेल इट, करना ही पड़ेगा उनको। तो ये नहीं, ये जो ट्रेनिंग था ये बहुत कॉमन ट्रेनिंग था। जो भी ऑनलाइन जा रहा है, क्रोम खोल के जा रहा है, उसको वहाँ पे कैसे सेफ रहना वो करना है। अब इन केस अगर आपके क्वेश्चन का अगर मैं सही मतलब समझती हूँ कि जो बच्चा ऑनलाइन जाता ही नहीं है या जो यहाँ से बाहर जाने के बाद नहीं जा सकते, पर स्कूल आवर्स में भी तो काम रहता है, स्कूल आवर्स में भी तो आप डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, आप वर्क कर रहे हैं, आप वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, वो जितना टाइम जहाँ पे भी रहे उसके पास अपना पर्सनल रहे या ना रहे, वो जितना टाइम ऑनलाइन जाएगा उतना टाइम बच्चा एंड एक्सटेंडेड हिज फैमिली इज सेफ, ये हम लोग देखते हैं।